Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we have one situation. This system is got rebooted. If you see uptime, it is 33 minutes and we are not sure who has rebooted and why they have rebooted. Now we have to find the RCA, means root cause analysis. Who has rebooted system? So as we know, it is having 33 minutes uptime. So first we will become a root user, sudo su hyphen. Then if you run last command, it will give you too much output. For that we will use less. We'll see top output only. Okay, here if you see, it's got system is got rebooted on 1653, and before that only Amit user was login from 1649 to 1652. So that means Amit user did something when system got rebooted. So first thing, we can log in as Amit user and check the history, but that won't help us. So we have to go in where log secure log. If you go and if you search September 18 1653, so we got here. And if we go up before the reboot, because it's showing the reboot session, yes, see, on 16 September 18 1650. So Amit user logged in at 1640. Here Amit user has logged in. It's become a root user using bin su hyphen. It become a root user. From root user, it switched to Kumar user. Okay, and from Kumar user, it was searching, and after doing some su hyphen l session, it has executed from here session terminal pwd user root command has been reboot. So as per the last log, we are able to see Amit user was logged in. But here what happened? Amit user logged in your system and it became a root user. From root user, it became a Kumar user, and using Kumar user, it system has been rebooted. We have executed a command has been reboot. So that's how you can find out. Using last command, you'll come to know who was logged into that time, and using verilog secure, if you go and search little bit, you'll come to know what has been executed. So session enabled by Amit user, and it has executed command slash bin su hyphen, and from there it become a root user. Then it was searching for list command, ls command is executed. Then sudo hyphen su hyphen l session started by Kumar user, and at the end Kumar user executed sbin command. So who has rebooted the system? Kumar user. Now we have to go and ask the owner of Kumar user why they have rebooted this system, why they have executed those commands. So they will be able to answer, and that will be the RC of this call. Hope you like this video and it is useful. See you in next session. Bye bye.